So, Mom, say something funny.
Oh, something funny. Real clever.
Tell us how you're doing, Mom.
Huh?
Tell us how you're doing, and I'll show this video to the rest of the family.
Oh, I love everybody. I've already hugged you and told you a long goodbye. So if something happens quickly, you got it made.
Okay, so tell them how you feel about moving into Parkview.
Oh, I'm excited. It's beautiful. And I'm going to take more than I need probably, but it's going to be nice. And Dad has a wonderful room. He's going to like that.
Painted yellow.
Huh?
Kind of cheery painted yellow.
Yeah, cheery, golden yellow.
Uh-huh.
And we're bringing some things that you kids might be interested in at Christmas time and early Christmas, like old photographs, mementos, my great-grandmother's old trunk, da-da-da-da-da.
Right. Good. Okay.
And these girls did a fantastic job. Oh, I'm so glad.
Yeah, and Mom's doing a great job getting it all together to figure out what she wants to bring at 88.
Yeah,
She's got it all figured out.
yeah. Well, when you move 7 times, you kind of get the hang of it.
Yeah. Yep, you got the hang of it.
And Dad's as handsome as ever.
Yeah, he is. He's
Really
really
is.
handsome.
I'm going to check to Cheryl. I better hurry up and do it. And they want me back there.
Hours ago.
I feel like I feel like Cinderella, and my glass slipper's broken.
Yeah, and we were supposed to get Dad back at 9 o'clock. It's now 10 o'clock, so, you know.
Yeah, and I was supposed to be gone 3 hours.
She was supposed to be gone 3 hours, and she's been gone since 3 o'clock, so it's been
So I
7
had
hours.
this check to
Mom's
CHER.
been gone 7 hours instead of 3. So, anyway, she loves you. Oh, my battery's dead anyways. Okay.